Today, the Tundra had an error code P0505 idle control system. The throttle valve could be dirty or stuck open. Disconnect the battery and remove the air intake. The valve is pretty dirty. Use throttle body cleaner to clean the inside. When it's clean and smooth, put everything back. Start the truck, clear the code, and drive it for a good 30 minutes and check if the code cleared. The code didn't clear. In addition, we got a new code, P2135 pedal position sensor. It is possible that I may have inadvertently affected the sensor when I held it fully open. We'll have to replace the throttle body. Remove the 4 bolts securing the unit. Remove the 2 radiator hoses. Install the new throttle body and put everything back. Clear the code, drive the truck for at least 30 minutes, and recheck. The code should clear. If you learned something new, please subscribe for more DIY and outdoor content. And thank you for watching.